Here we have macOS 12.6.3 with the command line developer tools installed. First, we want to ensure that our environment is up to date. The basic environment is. Let's install Homebrew, which is quite accurately described as the missing package manager for macOS. The simple installation instructions over at brew.sh suggest running bash on the output of a curl to a well-known GitHub domain. Even though I have reasonable confidence that the code and platforms involved are legitimate, I won't use this. First, the download isn't validated. Second, there isn't a reliable way to audit what actually ran. Instead, I'll clone the Homebrew install project. The git checkout process will both ensure the integrity of install.sh and place it on disk, permitting future examination if desired. And now I'll run it. Homebrew makes it easy to install many tools not included with macOS. A thriving community which maintains thousands of package definitions covers most common needs. Package definitions come in two forms, providing quite a bit of flexibility. A formula builds and installs an upstream source project. A cask installs a project's pre-built application binaries. Nowadays, both types are accessible using brew install. Homebrew simply makes life on macOS easier and is well worth the install. Let's check our installation. And looks good.